Welcome to the best product review channel. Top 5 turkey fryers are offered in a wide variety, each with unique features, benefits, and prices. I did a massive amount of research, reviewed a ton of reviews, and put up a list of the best turkey fryers from trustworthy brands to assist you in making a decision. After extensive investigation, I discovered these are good to benefit people like you. If you're curious to learn more about the price and other information, be sure to read my description. Without further ado, let's watch the video. Number 1. Char-Broil Big Easy Turkey Fryer. The Char-Broil Big Easy Turkey Fryer uses infrared heat to cook turkey and other cuts of meat, such as pork tenderloin and bone-in or boneless ribs. The 16,000 BTU British thermal unit propane burners sit inside a cylindrical double-walled cooking chamber, which allows the generated infrared heat to cook the meat evenly and keep it moist inside and crispy on the outside. Some users have struggled when cooking larger turkeys and may either flip the bird or cut it partway through cooking to ensure the middle of the bird cooks to the minimum safe internal temperature of 165 degrees F. This does not require any oil, which makes a safer and healthier alternative to cooking meat with added fat. This fryer can take up to 16 pounds turkey and will cook this or chicken in around 8 to 10 minutes per pound. Other meats will take longer. It comes with a meat thermometer to allow you to check that it has reached a safe internal temperature. Number 2. Masterbuilt Butterball XL Electric Turkey Fryer. The Masterbuilt Butterball XL Electric Turkey Fryer cooks up to a 20 pounds turkey. This is safety certified for indoor cooking and has a porcelain-coated inner pot to keep the oil inside. It also uses up to a third less oil than similar fryers and can also be used to steam, boil and fry foods. Like any oil fryer, cleanup after use can be time-consuming and messy. The oil needs heating to 375 degrees Fahrenheit for peanut oil, which can take up to an hour, and once the oil is at the correct temperature and the turkey is added, it then takes time for the temperature to return to the correct cooking temperature. This comes with a 3-month limited warranty. You can also buy additional accessories, marinades and spices from the manufacturer. Number 3. Masterbuilt Butterball Electric Oil-Free Turkey Roaster and Fryer. The Masterbuilt Butterball Electric Oil-Free Turkey Roaster and the fryer is a double-walled radiant heat outdoor cooker with a tempered glass lid that allows you to monitor your cooking. If wood chips are added to included wood chip box, it can also be used as a smoker. Like any large fryer or cooker, it can be worth doing a test cook before Thanksgiving, as cooking times will vary, especially if you have been used to an oil fryer. When the roaster arrives, do check the parcel carefully, as some users received it without the hardware to assemble it properly. This roaster will take up to an 18 pounds turkey. Number 4. Masterbuilt Butterball XXL Electric Fryer, Cinnamon. The Masterbuilt XXL Electric Fryer, Cinnamon, is suitable for cooking up to a 22 pounds turkey and can be used for steaming or boiling foods. It has a built-in drain valve and dishwasher-safe components. This model has a stainless steel outer and a digital control panel with a timer function. Like other fryers, this has a magnetic power cable as a safety feature, but the slightest knock to the fryer when using can cause the cable to disconnect, affecting cooking, so the fryer does need very gentle handling when in use. This fryer is intended for indoor use. It uses up to 33% less oil than traditional fryers and has been tested up to commercial standards. Some users report trouble with raising the temperature of the oil back up once the turkey has been added, so you may want to monitor temperature closely to ensure adequate cooking time at the correct temperature. Number 5. Eastman Outdoors 37069 Cooking Set. The Eastman Outdoors 37069 Cooking Set has a 65,000 BTU burner and a 30-quart heavy-duty stainless steel stockpot. It is suitable for frying turkeys and other foods. An 18 pounds turkey should fit comfortably in this pot. It comes with various accessories such as a poultry stand, lift hook, and a 123 thermometer, but will need connecting to a standard 20 pounds propane tank. This is a very hot cooking set, so you will need to monitor it carefully to ensure that the oil does not overheat. It is tested to the Canadian Standards Authority (CSA) standards and is certified. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button. Press the bell icon and comment below. Check out the description to find the product's link.